you know it, Mkpunkiti will display and give you the best, and then disappear. This is the Deputy Rector Admin Federal Polytechnic Oko. That's my brother. Yes, Deputy Rector Admin Federal Poly Oko. Asina hiyo onye nwere ka o ji eme ọjị mma onye tụ n'ukwu ka o ji anaka mma ọbụla mmadụ tụ n'ukwu ka o ji anaka. Mkpunkiti is the accredited representative of Nigeria at the World Cultural Fiesta, sometime in China, sometime in United States, and from Umunze. And Umunze is in Orumba North, Orumba South Federal Constituency in Anambra State. Mkpunkiti Nkanyi. Adeje Jemba. Mkpunkiti Jeja Abuja again. Mkpunkiti Jeja Abuja again. Exactly. Akubanda. Well, I wouldn't want to tell us that Mkpunkiti is not only of acrobatic displays. Mkpunkiti may have decided to go aerobatic. It's not just acrobatic. Oh dear! Oh my God! Oh the banya the number. Oh the banya the bells. Ego. Okay, bonding Mkpunkiti ego. Makana matari yona mulanya. Ola Tobia. Ike dunu coffee. We now watching Mkpunkiti go to that prophet. Owele Orumba North South. Owe Ifu. Oh, the banya the number. If I ji kalamba. Owe Joku Kawasi. The princess. The princess. The princess. Thank you very much. And that Mkpunkiti knows when to come and when to go. That is why if you become an expert in your choosing field of endeavor, you try to be the best you can. Mkpunkiti. Oh, fear, oh, set, yeah. Doctor Veji. Ejesiam ni. Wanko. The daughter of the founder of the Mkpunkiti. Oh, how much Mkpunkiti with China in those days. If one decides to be useless in life, that person cannot make it because he is contented with what they have at the moment. The daughter of the founder of this great dance. Ojimba. Adojimba. Echiga kama no Munze. Echiga kama na Anambra State. Njigela duala. Echiga kama. Chris njigela duala. Omutozi. Bigger. Bigger. Dalo.
Ewi.
Rest assured.
Ewi. Ewi.
On the other side.
Babu bigger. You can never be bigger. You can never be bigger than bigger. You can never aspire to that. You know. Thank you, sir.
My mayor. Bro, yeah, the quite careful, Makandi when I can't do it.
Okay, when I'm a little like, I'm a toto. Hey! Konaka!
Doc, Dalo, one. Nafana. Omutozi. Yes. Dalo. So many things. In a very short while, we must have performed to optimally to our zenith and then leave the stage when the ovation is loudest. Honorable Mkpunkiti, I salute you. Mkpunkiti. Ono mana ato ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀.
Ọdún kan bọ̀ sóko.
Anyị gbata ihe kulu nwa. Anyị gbata anyị anawa. Ikili ada ejikwara anya. Ikili eji anya. Because ndị na-eje ozi serve on everybody need. I want us to achieve that simultaneously or almost so. Mgbe onye ndukwu na-eri ka onye obere na